Hi, this is MK Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel MK Trader. This channel is created for an educational purpose. Here I am going to share my technical analysis knowledge and my experience. I am not a SEBI registered advisor. If you want to take trade based on my analysis, please keep the stop loss and take the trades, or else conduct your own analysis and take the trades. And once again, welcome to daily market review. That is 12th May, Wednesday. Tomorrow is the expiry day because coming Thursday is a holiday. So let's see tomorrow how market will offer us, and directional bias of Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is the Nifty daily chart of Nifty. Here in early morning and yesterday in my review, I mentioned price makes some reversal pattern here around 15,000 range reversal pattern. So I expect some price push down. See what happened today. Price make a huge gap down. We'll zoom it. Huge gap down. And also I mentioned Nifty traded in a range that is 14,200 to 15,000 and 15,500 range. But price makes a new range here, that is around 14,200 to 15,000. So what we expect, directional bias, is price just up and down from 14,200 to 15,000 level. Let's see. This area, this is acting as a resistance area. Now price respect that area, and this pinning top drive the price to downside today. And also I mentioned in hour 4 time frame, Nifty chart in hour 4, price makes a beautiful channel here. Let's see how. I expected if price back to this level, if we find any reversal here, then we will see another bullish move in Nifty and try to complete the upper leg of the channel. Now price is traded in the lower range, around lower leg of the channel. Two scenarios. One is if we find something reversal here, if price faking out below and back to the channel leg, then we expect a bullish move. uh, uh, Around 15,000 level we need some breakout. Break this level and then expect another bullish move from Nifty to complete this upper leg of the channel around 14,500 range, sorry, 15,500 range. If another scenario is if price turn back and break this trend line, this is the good trend line, is a supportive, very good strong trend line, and this the upper leg of the channel. If this lower leg of the channel breaks, and then we expect some pullback, and then if any reversal, price makes any reversal here, then we expect a very big bearish move to support zone around this level, 14,200 to 14,000 level. But still price within the channel, if we find any congestion here, this congestion breaks outside, then we expect up to another move on around 15,000 level, or else if price breaks below, and then we expect bearish move also. Let's see tomorrow how market reacts. Nifty hour one chart makes on range here around 14,800 to 15,000. So if this range continues, and we expect if price breaks above around 15,000 level, then we expect some bullish move. If price breaks below this trend line around 14,800 level, if breaks clear breakout, then we will see some bearish move. Below this trend line, if price traded below this trend line, then we expect bearish. And within this range also we expect some bullish move. That's all for Nifty. And in Bank Nifty, I'm already mentioned this trend line is a very good resistance trend line. Now price traded at the optimal zone, it's the resistance zone. I mentioned earlier in my Telegram channel, this reversal pattern doji in day candle may be push the price down. Same thing happens Nifty, Bank Nifty, both are open with some gap down. Nifty hour 4 time frame, this is the range. Started a range here around 30,500 to 33,000 range, and yesterday I mentioned we expect some move bearish move due to this reversal pattern. So today market open with a huge gap down, and mentioned, and also I mentioned this is the trend line, is a very supportive trend line, very good trend line. Price make back to this area. If we find any reversal, we took the trade. That's the bullish move. So in my Telegram channel, I give two calls today. One is long, another one is short. I will show you later. And tomorrow, if price back to lower leg of the channel, outside the lower leg of the channel, we expect some pullback, and then the bearish move will start. This is the first support zone, and This one is the second support zone. Let's see if price breaks clearly below this channel leg, lower leg of the channel, then we expect bearish. If price break above this around 33,300 level, then we expect some bullish move. But this trend line is a very good resistance area. We careful on long, going long on Bank Nifty, because this pattern shows maybe a bearish move to support zone around 30,500 level. In hourly time frame, Bank Nifty price hugging this trend line. If price break this trend line around 32,500, then we expect a bearish move. If price breaks above but facing heavy level of resistance, let's see how price reacts tomorrow, and then we will decide to take trades on Bank. Today, before market open around 8:42 a.m., I mentioned in my Telegram channel. See here, Nifty day candle made a reversal spinning top, so we expect some bearish. If price breaks 15,500, then only we look for long. And after market open, the spinning top drive the price to the support zone. And also in Bank Nifty, chart, I mentioned Bank Nifty day one candle made a reversal doji, so if the price breaks above 33,300, then only look for long opportunity. Or all overall Nifty and Bank Nifty, my opinion is bearish. I mentioned in my Telegram group, and I gave two calls today around 32,800 CE. Let's see the result. This is the result chart. See, 32,800 we took one trade on CE. Now price hit the 33,000 level, so we close the trade at that around 33,100 levels. After that, I gave 33,000 PE as the short opportunity. Result is here. See, if you still not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe and share my videos for Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis day-to-day basis. And